What's up, y'all? So I'm in the back right now, just like towing some abandoned cars, like this Beetle right here. But guys, I found an amazing mint truck. It's a 1996 Toyota T100. If you guys remember these back in the 90s, man, you guys are in for a real treat right here. Oh, I thought that was a Hornet. It's like really warm today. So this is a broken door handle. So it's probably open because I can't get in from the other side. So I'll fire up at the front. And dude, look, this thing is mint. There's some like kind of rock chips, but that's okay. Light bar at the front. This is amazing. This is so nice. And it's got like really big GM. It's got like GM tires on it. Pretty nice. Yeah, there's some rust. This is where you can put your camper shell. There's a random tire, there's a random chair in the back. But yeah, well, let's hop on inside. Holy cow, man. Look at this, dude. Dude, check out this interior. It's immaculate. Look at this. Dude. There's like one little tiny spot here, but that's okay. And dude, these are out of like a 4Runner. Like a 3rd gen 4Runner. This is crazy. That's your Toyota security right there from the 90s. Power windows and mirrors. Oh my gosh, dude. This is sick. Yeah, this is broken. Yeah, that has to be screwed down. I don't have the key with me because I can't start this because it's got a bad motor. It has a busted up motor, so it's like misfiring really bad. So I don't want to mess with this one. And this thing's got a really dead battery too, so I don't care. So part of this truck is aftermarket. Here, let me that's a better footage. So see what the miles are. 232 on the miles. Not bad. It's not bad at all. Yep, like I said, it's dead. Dude, this is insane. Bro, smell this car right now, dude. Look. Bro, it smells so good in here. Bro, it smells like it smells like an 80s Toyota. Oh my gosh, dude. Excuse me. So that's your 4-wheel drive selector. Yeah, this is aftermarket. This is an air horn, or I don't know what that is. Clock. Dude, I just love these AC things in the 90s, dude. Look at this. I love it. AC control. Same will adjust. What's in the glove box? No. Dude, it's so freaking soft. It's amazing how well this truck is. Even the back seats, bro. This thing is so clean. It's crazy clean, dude. Holy smokes. Let's check out the engine. It's already propped. This has the 3.4 liter V6 out of a. Yeah, this shows the Tacomas, the 4Runner. These aren't reliable engines, so we might just like buy a brand new engine for this, or like a used engine from a junkyard. And dude, all this dust. Yeah, man, bro, this thing is abandoned. Hazard button. Not a bad truck. And these also do work too. And also, 4 years ago, we had a red T100 that was a XT, and that was a manual missing. And guys, this truck is kind of bringing a tear to my eye, kind of, because this is bringing back all the memories of that red one we had like about 4 years ago. I was like 9 years old when we had that truck. I was like 9, and my gosh, and that Land Cruiser, because I was like 9 years old when we had that Land Cruiser too. It was a 92 or 93 Land Cruiser from like it was like an 80s gen, and this thing had, and dude, same exact buttons, window switches, door handles, yeah, same exact stuff. Just immaculate. We'll check out the engine too. Yeah, that's broken. Well, let's see what's in this beast. Excuse me. Oh shoot. Is it jammed? Okay, hang on. I need to. Oh yeah, now I've got it. So. Oh, whoa. Weather stripping. Yeah, battery's zip tied because it keeps falling down and it'll like damage something on the belt. So yeah, this whole engine needs to be replaced. It's junk. There's the battery. Well,